Hello, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here at the Trinoma Mall, Ayala Mall. I'm here to watch Superman. Today it's the showing of this film, Superman. So, starting time to watch this today will be 1 p.m. So, every 1 hour to wait. So, let's take a watch this later. I think this is a new actor for this 2025. An actor. So this. See you later. Thanks for watching.